Next award in the area of environmental sciences and technology for the year 2012 is given to Dr. B.N. Goswami, Director, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. Dr. B.N. Goswami has contributed significantly to atmospheric sciences in general, particularly in the national development and installation of state-of-the-art climate prediction system at Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology and short and medium range weather prediction system at IMD. This has led to perceptible improvement in the skill of weather and climate forecast in the country. The economic benefits to the farmers from the improved climate and weather forecasts is estimated to be a staggering 40,000 crores per annum. Dr. B.N. Goswami. Yeah. The next, in the year 2012, in the area of information and communication technology, is given to Professor Shiben K. Kaul, Deputy Director, Strategy Planning, and Dr. R.P. Shenoy, Chair Professor, Center for Applied Research in Electronics, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Dr. Shiben K. Kaul has made significant contribution to the development of passive and active circuits, planar reconfigurable antennas, and integrated microwave and millimeter wave subsystems. He has pioneered design and development of high-performance radio frequency microsystems for both defense and space applications. His notable contributions are in the development of MEM-based phase shifters, switches, and phase array submodules. He has also made seminal contribution to the development of microwave education in India through publishing high-quality books and development of educational trainer kits. Dr. Shiben K. Kaul. The next award in the area of material and metallurgical sciences and technology for the year 2012 is given to Dr. B.K. Mishra, Director, Institute of Minerals and Metallurgy Technology, Bhubaneswar. Dr. B.K. Mishra has done research on the application of discrete element methods. His work has led to the development of commercial softwares which are helping industries in designing shell and pulp lifters of large tumbling mills, development of iron ore jigging systems for close separation of constituents, bioleaching processes for copper recovery, and biopolymerization technology resulting in a plant setup. Dr. Mishra and his team has made significant contribution to iron and steel industries by developing and transferring the process know-how for high clay associated low-grade hematite iron ores and slimes, which is practiced in industry. Dr. B.K. Mishra. The last award for the year 2000, Srimati Chandaben Mohanbai Patel Industrial Research Award for Women Scientists. This is given to Dr. Madhu Dikshit, Chief Scientist, CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. Dr. Madhu Dikshit and her group has established test systems for gastric proton pump activity and new flow cytometry method to assess acid release from gastric peritoneal cells, and full spectrum in vitro and in vivo assays to assess antithrombotic potential of test compounds. Dr. Dikshit's studies on gastric proton pump has led to the identification of new anti-ulcer compound, and her antithrombotic drug development initiative at CDRI has led to the identification of new molecules having applications in cardiovascular therapeutics. Dr. Madhu Dikshit. We start the Vasvik Awards for the year 2013 now. In the area of agricultural sciences and technology for the year 2013, the award is given to Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Senior Principal Scientist, Biotechnology Division, Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur. Dr. Sanjay Kumar has extensively worked in the areas of industrial enzymes, plants in cold desert at high altitude, improving the photosynthesis rate, stress tolerance, and yield of crops. He has significantly contributed in Himalayan high altitude biology and transfer of technology of novel enzyme superoxide dimutase associated with controlling oxygen toxicity arising out of oxidative stress in living systems. The technology of SOD, superoxide dimutase, has been licensed to a Kolkata-based company, and this company is expected to have a turnover of 6.4 billion US dollars per annum. Dr. Sanjay Kumar. The next award in the area of biological sciences and technology is given to Dr. Rohit Srivastava, Associate Professor, Department of Biosciences and Bioengineering, IIT Bombay. Dr. Rohit Srivastava and his group has worked in several domains of healthcare like diagnostic devices, biosensors, nanotechnology for cancer therapy, and MEMS drug delivery devices. Dr. Srivastava has contributed significantly in the development of portable urine analysis system, UCheck, a low-cost smartphone-based urine dipstick reader designed, tested, and developed on the iOS platform with Biosense Technology Private Limited and transferred to them for commercialization. The system is launched or was launched on 28th of April in India and USA. Dr. Rohit Srivastava. Yeah, I'm doing that. Yeah. The next area, year 2013, in Chemical Sciences and Technology. This award is again shared to Dr. Ulhas Kharul, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR, National Chemical Laboratories, Pune. Dr. Ulhas Kharul and his group at NCL Pune has successfully developed and transferred the technology for manufacture of ultrafiltration membranes for drinking water purification. The hollow fiber membrane produced by his technology offers simultaneous high rejection capability and high water flux. The flat sheet membranes produced by new technology offers removal of all pathogens and yet operate on tap pressure of minimum of 0 to 4 bars. About 250 such units are running to provide pathogen-free water at affordable cost to rural community through a three-wheeler mounted units. Interestingly, 70% of these units are operated and driven by women, providing women empowerment. Dr. Ulhas Kharul. The second awardee in the area of chemical sciences and technology for the year 2013 is Dr. A.V.R. Reddy, Senior Principal Scientist, Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute, Bhavnagar. Interestingly, both these awards are given on membranes. Dr. A.V.R. Reddy has contributed significantly in the development of process for manufacturing water purification membranes. The low fouling, high flux, hollow fiber ultrafiltration membranes manufactured are suitable for producing safe drinking water by removing the suspended solids, pathogens, and other harmful microorganisms. The composite flat sheet reverse osmosis membrane produced for desalination of brackish seawater are also capable of removing fluorides, nitrates, hardness, and pathogens. These technologies are also transferred to industry and the membranes are in commercial production. Dr. A.V.R. Reddy of CSM CRI. The next in the category is Electrical and Electronics Sciences and Technology for the year 2013. The award goes to Professor Shabir A. Merchant, Professor of Electrical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Professor Shabir A. Merchant has worked extensively in the area of wireless communications, wireless sensor networks, detection and tracking, data fusion, signal processing, image and video processing, and radar signal processing. Dr. Merchant has made significant contribution in the field of signal processing and its application. His noteworthy contributions have been in solving state-of-the-art signal and image processing problems faced by Indian defense. Dr. Merchant has contributed in the development of a channel estimation-based approach to back-off strategy in correlated channel, which has granted a US patent. Dr. Shabir N. Merchant of IIT Bombay. The next award for year 2013 in the area of environmental sciences and technology goes to Dr. S.R. Vate, Director, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, Nagpur. Dr. S.R. Vate has contributed extensively to environmental protection through environmental biotechnology, environment system design, and environmental impact and risk analysis. He has contributed significantly towards sustainable development, employing environmental impact risk assessment process and providing environmental management plans for various projects in a variety of industrial sectors, which are being implemented for the last 2 decades or so. He has contributed to the development of technology of on-site waste treatment of redrill site waste management, which is in operation at number of drill sites, which has resulted into control of oil pollution. Dr. S.R. Vate of NEERI. The next in the category in the area of information and communication technology for the year 2013 goes to Dr. Hemant Darbari, Executive Director, CDAC, Pune, that is Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Dr. Hemant Darbari has extensively worked in innovative applications of artificial intelligence, integrating ICT, that is information and communication technology, and high-performance computing environment, which includes computer-assisted translation systems, expert systems, information extraction and retrieval systems, speech-to-speech dialogue system. He has been the pioneer and the chief of architect behind the development of machine-assisted translation system called Mantra Technologies, which is the heart of various machine translation systems deployed at national level with high level of translation accuracy. Under his able leadership, products like Mantra Rajya Sabha, Mantra Rajbhasha, Anuvadaksha, a multilingual translation system, Leela, learning Indian language through artificial intelligence, were developed, have multifold impact on the citizens of India. Dr. Hemant Darbari of CDAC Pune. Next, for the year 2013, in the area of materials and metallurgical sciences and technology, the award goes to Dr. Sanjay Chandra, Chief of R&D and Scientific Services, Tata Steel, Jamshedpur. Dr. Sanjay Chandra has contributed significantly in the technology development for improved utilization of waste from open hearth steel furnaces, new process route for the production of billets suitable for single stage conversion in special bars, new desulfurization powder for liquid iron, new type of rebars which offer a much safer material for house builder, and improved productivity of austenticizing furnace for wires. Dr. Sanjay Chandra, Tata Steel. The next, for the year 2013, the Vasvik Award in the area of mechanical and structural sciences and technology. This goes to Professor R.N. Iyengar, Director, Center for Disaster Mitigation, Jain University, Bangalore. Dr. R.N. Iyengar has made outstanding contribution in the area of stochastic structural dynamics, earthquake engineering, nonlinear mechanical systems, and rainfall studies. He has applied his high-end engineering research results to analyze and improve performance of nuclear power plants, railway tracks, defense equipments, and civil structures subjected to uncertain forces which have accrued benefits to the country at large. Commercialization of a few building product technologies while working at CBRI CSIR has direct economic gains. Reduction of SPM content in the brick kiln exhaust has had a significant social benefits also. Dr. R.N. Iyengar of Center for Disaster Mitigation, Jain University. The last award for the year 2013, which is again Srimati Chandaben Mohanbai Patel Industrial Research Award for Women Scientists, goes to Professor Dr. Vandana B. Patravale, Professor of Pharmaceutics, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Dr. Vandana Patravale has contributed significantly in the development of various diagnostic tools for various diseases and therapeutic devices. She has developed platform technology based on biodegradable polymers for coronary stents, intrauterine contraceptive device, self-microemulsifying tablets, novel stable microemulsion based formulation, and other technologies which has transferred with commercial success. Professor Dr. Vandana Patravale of ICT. We move on to the year 2014. We move to agricultural sciences and technology for the year 2014. The award goes to Dr. P.K. Mukherjee, Scientific Officer G, Nuclear Agricultural and Biotechnology Division, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. Dr. P.K. Mukherjee has made highly significant and relevant contribution to agricultural sciences. His contribution